Hi everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today I will be making a pop-up vase card with you guys, and the base looks like this. It is foldable, and what I ended up doing, initially I was going to do one and put flowers, but it just looked kind of lonely, so as I was messing with it, this is what I ended up making with it. So this is my design that I made today, and I wanted flowers. I like flowers and I love daisies, so I decided to make one for my desk. Again, inspiration to decorate my cubicle on the way back to work, or just decorate my craft room. So with this one, I did combine three together. So as I was messing around with it earlier and how I can make it bigger, I ended up gluing all three together. And then of course it does fold flat, and it is mailable. With this one, it doesn't fit an A2 card because the flower that I chose was a little too big, or I set it up too high. But if you create one for yourself, you can definitely design it where it fits the card, the A2 card, or you can just get a bigger envelope. So this is a very cool, unique card. It stands up on its own, very sturdy, and it folds. So I like that about it. It folds easily and in any direction. So again, I made this 3D completely so that you can see it in every angle and not have to worry about how you're going to set it. Like this would just be the front and not be visible in the back because it's not done. That's the one I made today. The one that we're making will be this one here. This one does fit an A2 card, and if you place it here, move the butterfly in a little bit. The stamp set I am using is by Stampin' Up, and it's called the Painted Lavender. It is still available for purchase on their website, and it looks like this. And it does come with dies. The stamp sets that I did use for this one is this here. These two here are layered. I used the butterfly, and I used this bushel of flowers, and those are all stamped out for you here. So you've got this one, and you got the lavender one. I stamped it out and cut it already because didn't want the video to be too long. And then I got the tiny butterflies, the grass, and then the leaves. So here in my project, you see the baby butterflies, and then I put the bigger butterflies up top. And you can see my hands are inky because I've been playing all day. So that is how I made it. And this one is only one-sided, so when I put it down, it has to face a certain way, because if you flip it, it's plain in the back. So this one I just made one-sided. So let's get started. So you'll need 3 pieces. This base here is 3 by 5.5, scored at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 3 3/4, and 5. So you'll need 3 of those. And then this one is the tabs. So you'll need, it's a 1 by 2 1/4, scored at 1/2, and 1 3/4. So this tab here, in my sample here, it goes in here. So you can place things on there if you want to. I did both. I did my leaves, I'm trying to get the angle, in here, and then I placed the flowers. I actually glued it onto the fronts and the backs. So now that we're done burnishing, we'll put those to the side. Now we're going to start gluing. So I use liquid glue just because it's easy when you got to maneuver to place it and to put it in place. So here we go. So you use this one, you would use on the 1/2 inch side. You'll go here And you're going to find where you want to put it. Don't put it too far down because then it's going to be your plant or your plants, your pieces. It's going to be too far in. What you want is to be able to put about that far. Can you see it? All right. First to glue this, we're going to do it all at the same time. So we're going to put glue there. We're going to put glue here. And then we're going to push this one down. Push this one down as well, all at the same time. And then we're just going to press down. So when you do that, it comes out like this. And now you have place to put your pieces. So that's one. Okay, so now that you have 3 pieces, like so, now what you're going to do is you're going to glue 2 pieces down. And I'm looking at the way of how the tabs are facing. I want them to face the same way. You can glue it like this to start off. And then just push down and then align. Make sure everything's aligned. You don't want it to not be aligned. And check the back, make sure it's good. And just burnish so it sticks. Now you have this one. So then when you put this one, you're going to put glue on both sides. And then you're going to lay this flat like this. And then that makes it the shape that we want it to be. Right, so. And now you have that set. That's how you would set it. You see it? Looks good, right? Alright, now it's basically gluing it, trying to figure out how to place it. So again, starting from the back, I want to do a better job at doing tallest to shortest. And I'll show you why. So here, these are pretty short back here. I want them to be taller and then make these shorter up front. You have a lavender 3D card. So that's my second one. Here's my first one. And then of course my sample, or the one that I created today, because I love flowers. Alright, so this is my card, our project for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and hopefully you like this project. Close up picture, sorry about that, but there you go. And then you've got your little butterflies and the grass. So it does stand up, as you guys see. It does fold. But I'm going to do it this way since you guys can't see it. You can see it better this way. So this is my project that we did together, and it's called the Pop-Up Vase Card. I was looking through Pinterest, and Maria Giselle's Creative on Pinterest She did the measurements for this here. And then I just, I just put them all together. I just put 3 together just to make it bigger. So I came up with this little design here by putting 3 of them. I'm sure you can put more. I only just did 3. It's very cute. It's small. It fits an A2 card. So that's my one. And then of course, here's my first one. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye guys.